Hi, this video is for Yuri. I want to first off welcome you to Peas. This is your first week here, although you should know that you have been on my roster since the beginning. But I do um, love that you came to class today, were able to come. All right, what I'm going to show you in this video is how to go over the work list. This is where your work is sort of listed or lives, right? So it shows you the work for the week. Okay, so that's the work list. And then I'm going to go over what you need to prioritize for today, since you're missing a lot of materials, but the things you want to focus on are the KWLQ, the note sheet, and then the essential question. All right, so let's start off with reviewing the work list. On your Schoology homepage, at the very top is your work list. When you open it up, it shows you the calendar for the week. So at the top, it'll tell you what week we're in. It should tell you when all the work is due. So it's due 8:30 next week, Tuesday, on September 22nd. Now, I'm going to move this calendar out so it's easier to see. The blue sections, the blue sections are what we do in class. So this is what we do in class. The green sections are like your homework. This is what you do after class. You will see that you will have work for every day of the week. So I put the work here. You can access the work either through the Schoology folder directly. So you can go into Schoology and find the folder that it's in. Asynchronous. So for that week, the asynchronous folder. Or you can just use the links that are here. If you click on the link, it'll also take you to the work that you have. Okay. So it's super important that you use this. So let's summarize. You want to use the work list, and the green section, your homework. Okay. All right. Next thing, what do you want to prioritize since you're missing a lot? These are the things that you want to prioritize: the KWLQ, reading the note sheet, and the essential question. Let's start with the KWLQ. So in that work list, you can find the KWLQ. It's under Tuesday. Click on it, and it'll take you to this document. Now, the instructions are at the top. So first thing you want to do is follow the instructions. You can watch the video or read this PDF. Once you've done that, it'll tell you that you need to fill in the know column. What do you know about Earth systems? And the want to know. So do these two first. Once you have these done, then you're going to move on to the note sheet. So let me show you where the note sheet is. In today's folder, Unit 1, Week 3, Tuesday, you have your note sheet answer key. What you want to do is read through this answer key. And this answer key will show you how the Earth has changed since the beginning. So you want to read this. Now, if it's easier, you can download it as a PDF and open that up. And then that way you can copy the text if you want. So you're going to read this note sheet to understand how the Earth has changed throughout its history. Once you have read the note sheet, so once you've done this, you're going to come back here to the KWLQ. And for that, you're now going to fill in what you learned. What did you learn about the history of the Earth? And if you have any questions or anything that you are wondering, you can fill this in here. So you do this first, then this, then you do this. Okay. The last thing that you need to prioritize is your essential question. That is here. For this unit, we are wondering or going to answer what the Earth will look like in 20 million years. So you are going to write this as a claim. You're going to write your claim and evidence. Now, going back to today's lesson. Oops, sorry, the wrong one. In today's lesson, we went over how to write that. So if you go to this last slide, it'll show you what I'm expecting for your essential question. So you can write, in 20 million years, the Earth will look the same, different, or very different. You have to choose what you want to fill in here. And you're going to write that in here. Then you have to choose some evidence. So for the evidence, you're going to think about how the climate, atmosphere, crust, oceans, or life forms will change in 20 million years. Okay, so for example, I could think the Earth atmosphere will have more oxygen in it. Now, how do you know how it will change? Well, that goes back to what you learned in your note sheet. All right, so let's recap. What are you going to do? One, you're going to start with your KWLQ. Fill out the K and W column, what you know and want to know. Then you're going to read the note sheet. Then you're going to go back to your KWLQ and fill out the learn and question. Then you're going to work on your essential question. And for that, you're going to write a claim and evidence. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful. Just so you know that my support hours for this class are Thursday at 12:30 p.m. And you can join the support hours by clicking on this second link under information. If you click on that, it'll take you to support hours. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. And message me if you have any questions. All right, have a quality day.